Hello guys, and welcome to the latest video from KTV, and today I am at Newcastle, located on the East Coast Main Line, one of the major hubs on the East Coast Main Line. Today you're going to be seeing services from Virgin Trains East Coast, Transpennine Express, CrossCountry, Northern, and also one service by Scotrail, who will also be here. This is my first time filming a Scotrail train in nearly 3 years, so it's quite crazy. What time is it? This is 91115 and 82. Oh, do you know what? I've forgotten it already. You saw it in the clip video anyway, the early one. But it is on a Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Let's have a look. I'm going to make certain of that, and I can't even do that right. I think I'll check in a minute. Oh no. Hello, hello. There we go. It is the 15:32 Edinburgh London King's Cross. It's running late, and the train you saw also pulling out was a 15:35 cross-country service from Plymouth to Glasgow Central, which was the 0725 of Plymouth that got diverted by Bath and Swindon. This train here is calling at Durham, Darlington, York, Doncaster, Newark, Northgate, Peterborough and London King's Cross. And yeah, there's kind of trains leaving from both ends at this station. There's trains leaving from the end down there, there's also trains leaving from this end over here. There goes the 15:32 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross from Edinburgh, and this is also the final video where Virgin Trains East Coast will be featured. As you may or may not know, Virgin lost the franchise, so LNER will be taking over. They're renaming it LNER and it's being nationalised. So the next time I'm in this area, which will be next month when I do Wakefield, Leeds and Huddersfield, well, Wakefield and Leeds specifically, it should be LNER, but who knows? Could still be Virgin Trains East Coast. I think it's probably going to be LNER though. Anyway, let's just off here, shall we? Let's get started here at Newcastle. Okay, arriving now is a cross-country service from Glasgow Central to Plymouth. This is the last service going to Plymouth of the day, and it is 221128. And that is the 1912 out of Birmingham New Street, and that is going to be it's diverted, so it's an hour back. Be the 2144 out of Bristol, arriving into Plymouth at 2356. That is mental. And it's only like 3:30 and it's going to be into Plymouth at 5 to midnight. Better them than me. Okay, arriving now is the 15:45 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh, which is formed of a vinyled Class 91. It is the Royal... Oh no, hang on, I saw this one this morning at Northallerton, I believe. I did indeed see this at Northallerton this morning. 91110. Definitely saw this at Northallerton. Fair enough. Alright, departing now will be the 15:45 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Edinburgh from London King's Cross. 82223 is the route. I can see this video being relatively long already.
I'm on my own next weekend and it's just...
Okay, approaching into Newcastle now is a Scotrail service from Glasgow Central. It's formed over 156. And this is my first time filming Scotrail in almost 3 years. And they haven't changed much. Certainly know more about them. 156434. Is it right? Yes, it is. Hello, Scotrail. Oh my goodness me, it just feels so weird to actually be standing and filming one because I have not seen one in 3 years almost. There it is anyway. Okay, departing now is 82220. It's a Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. It is the 1557 service. And 91-106. The Get North one again. And arriving in now is another one from London King's Cross to, guess where? Edinburgh. (91-102). City of York, interesting tone. And he's done it again. And it's 82231. Oh my goodness, he is trigger happy. There's 67003 over there as well, Thunderbird. That was 66, 508, 614, 509, 514 and 554. That was a convoy of 566s there going through. Okay, arriving now is 82219.
Well, it is.
I don't see how they get bold of the Voyagers over there.
Oh, aye. The way will be doing south. West right.
It is 91117. West Riding Limited nameplate. That is coming in from Edinburgh. Okay, departing out there is 156443 on a northern service to Whitehaven, starting here at Newcastle. It's 156443. Okay, approaching now is 6103, the Flying Scotsman. As far as I know, it's doing a crew change. The mighty hiss of the Flying Scotsman there. This was really unexpected, guys, because I literally just arrived. I've been here for a little while, didn't realise the Scotsman was coming through today. Now he's off. You could not write this up. Is 47,760. And I can now say I've officially seen the Flying Scotsman, because I've not seen it before. So there we go, another thing to add to the list of achievements on the railway. Coming up next time, Kieran takes a rare Voyager to Blackpool North and gets very excited by a Voyager. No. Okay, arriving here is the 1632 cross-country service to Edinburgh from Penzance. This service usually is meant to go on to Aberdeen, but it's been cancelled between Edinburgh and Aberdeen for some reason. Okay, departing now is 221124 and the 1632 cross-country service to Edinburgh from Penzance. That's 221124, calling at Morpeth, Dunbar and Edinburgh. Okay, departing there's 142050 on the 1644 Northern service to Metro Centre, starting here at Newcastle and as I go around the pole. Train departing here is 222017 on the 1644 cross-country service from Edinburgh to Bristol Temple Meads. Arriving in is a 185, it's 185, 147, coming in from Manchester Airport, terminating. Might not get the whole film in though, I'm afraid, but it is there. That's a Transpennine Express Desiro, diesel Desiro if you like. Okay, arriving now is a 1657 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Aberdeen from London King's Cross, formed of a beautiful HST. Actually the first one that's turned up at Newcastle so far, and that's shocking because I've been here nearly 2 hours. And it is 43,306. Okay, departing now is 142095. That is on a northern service to Chathill. That is the 1700 northern service from Chathill to from Metro Centre to Chathill, and arriving in is another HST, which is 43238. Oh, brilliant! It's 238 as well. Saw this morning as well. That is on the delayed 1625 from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. And off goes the 1657 to Aberdeen. Spirit of Sunderland 43274 at the rear. Saw that this morning at Darlington, heading from Aberdeen. That service is now calling at Berwick-upon-Tweed, Edinburgh, Haymarket, Inverkeithing, Kirkcaldy, Lucas, Dundee, Arbroath, Montrose, Stonehaven and Aberdeen. I thought that one was heading out, but it actually isn't, so see that one go out in a minute. And we've got some more freight coming through with 66541. 66522. That didn't half go on, did it? And there goes 43316 and 238. As on the delayed 1625 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross from Aberdeen, from Edinburgh even. Okay, departing there is 156434. That is on the 1716 Scotrail service to Glasgow Central. That is going all the way via Settle to Carlisle line. I think, yes. And then it's going through Carlisle and then going on a very weird detour through to Glasgow via Kilmarnock. So it's going that way, and then it's going to end in Glasgow Central in approximately 4.5 hours time. So yeah, fun. Although on the departure board it actually announces itself as Barhead. That is because obviously it's announcing that there are quicker trains to take you to Glasgow. Oh, and there's 220018, by the way. This one terminated in from Reading earlier on. There's a pacer going out to Morpeth, but we'll see more of them soon anyway. Okay, arriving now is 22028. That is on the 1735 cross-country service from Plymouth to Glasgow Central. Okay, departing now from platform 10, which is a bay platform here in Newcastle, is the 1732 cross-country service to Southampton Central with 220018. Durham, Darlington, York, Doncaster, Sheffield, Derby, Birmingham New Street, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Oxford, Reading, Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway and Southampton Central. We're at arrives at Southampton Central at 23:20. Goodness me. Okay, arriving now is a 1744 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. I don't think Jamie likes this train. It's 91,128. There is Intercity 50 91,128 on the 1744 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Edinburgh from London King's Cross, and off it goes. It's 82,201. Calling at Alnmouth, Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. Okay, departing there is 142088 on the 1744 Northern service to Metro Centre, and that had about 6 passengers on the train. What's the stop in between here and Metro Centre again? Dunstan. Yeah, so it's calling it, is this one calling, that one's calling it Dunstan, isn't it? Just Dunstan. Yeah, so that one's calling it Dunstan and Metro Centre, that one. Let's see. Okay, departing there is the 1754 Northern service from Nunthorpe to Carlisle with 142071. I'm doing all stations to Hexham and then doing a more faster service to Carlisle. Shame it's a 142 though, but I've only just found out it's only an hour and a half at least over to Carlisle, which I'm quite surprised by. I thought it was longer. Okay, arriving now is 156472, arriving in from Carlisle. Yeah.
The next train to arrive into platform 2 with the 1800 Virgin train service to Edinburgh, calling at Berwick.
Okay, arriving now, it's 17:57, Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. And there is 43206. 82-230s on this one. 206, I believe, is on a East Coast, Virgin Trains East Coast service at Edinburgh. Okay, departing there's a 17:57 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross from Edinburgh. At the rear. That's calling out Darlington, York, Stevenage and King's Cross. Okay, departing now is the 1804 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street with 185135. I just said they are incredible trains. So I thought I'd end on the 185, but thank you for watching this video from Newcastle. If you have liked what you've seen there, then please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments because I will get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please leave those in the comments. Joining me today was Connor Watson. And do you even know your channel name, Jamie?
Simply Transport Northeast.
Simply what?
Transport Northeast.
So we've got Simply Transport Northeast here as well. So do check out both their channels. Their links will be in the description. It has been an incredible session here at Newcastle. Unfortunately, I'm not going to rank it as the best station I've been to today because that goes to Durham. Durham was amazing. Northallerton second, Newcastle third, Darlington fourth. It was really close to put them all together. They are all brilliant. And I think they're all equally as good, but to rank them on their time, I have to be really picky to rank them. That's how good they are. So that's pretty much June's big trip over. May's big trip over, we're not in June yet. So the next station for a big trip will be Wakefield Westgate. That will be next month. However, depending on how things go, I could still be going out tomorrow. If I do go out tomorrow, the next station will be Berwick-upon-Tweed. However, I don't know. But you'll see anyway, it will be in the description what the next station is. It will be either Wakefield Westgate or Berwick-upon-Tweed, but we'll see. I'll just have to have some food and maybe have a think about it. Anyway, so thank you all for watching, and this station with variety has been brilliant. I'm just happy I caught Scotrail again. That was brilliant. I'm glad to have seen them again. They're just watching like, yeah, we've seen all this before. It's just old news to you two. Yes. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.